Well, if you're passing through Chicago between now and December 22nd, you may want to hitch a ride on what's known as the holiday train that is running in Chicago. It only is on designated routes, Kristen, but thanks to YouTube channel Original Marley Gal, she says if you watch there carefully, you can see jolly old St. Nick.
He
does pass by. In fact, there he goes right there.
Oh
There's
yeah,
Santa.
that is neat
Cool
stuff.
stuff,
Wow,
yeah.
Thanks for sharing with us. I'm Kristen Clark along with Rob Cook, and speaking of Chicago, maybe some snow this upcoming weekend into early next week, the first measurable snow of the season.
I'm kind of hoping Milwaukee doesn't get it for another 3 days because they'll break their all-time record for the latest ever to see snow, and you'd hate to see it end with just 1 day left to get in the record.
Yeah, that's right. That's true. A lack of snow for the Midwest. We're going to talk about that. Clearwater Beach, Florida, a nice overview of the entire city. And what a beautiful sun that is. A lot of brilliant pinks and oranges in that. Nice. So snowy Northwest. We have still some rain and snow to talk about, but in a very small confined area. Midwest back to normal temperature-wise. But we are talking some snow chances also coming up here in the coming days. A little less sun for Florida, maybe a little more rain. We have the details coming up in just a bit. But Stevens Pass, Washington, open for business today.
Yeah, this is what they call fry pan-sized snowflakes coming down in Stevens Pass, Washington. No joke, folks. These are huge flakes. When a web camera details it that much, oh yeah, they're coming down fast and feverish. Now, you watching from Colorado are, I'm sure, envious of this, but you did get some snow in parts of Beaver Creek, also into the Arapahoe Basin area. Sorry about that. That photo's sneaking away on us. There's the San Francisco Bay Area. Gotta love technology. Our thanks to a tweet from @nthistle. Wait. Very good shot there as the clouds were leaving San Francisco. No rain in the Bay Area right now. It's all up here in Washington, Seattle, up towards Bellingham. It is snowing like crazy across the Cascades, and now the snow is starting to let loose across the Panhandle Mountains of Idaho, and it's there that we have the winter weather advisories in effect for Kalispell, for Bozeman. Winter storm warnings in effect for north central Idaho. That's I-90 that runs through there. Watch out through the passes. Road conditions will deteriorate throughout the night. Local snow amounts may exceed, at least in the Stampede Pass area, a foot or easily some spots 2 feet. That's also the case out towards the Bitterroot Mountains in areas of eastern Idaho. Snow's moving on through. The rain's easing up on the Washington coast. Using the latest GFS data from 18Z today shows that some big snows are possible. That's upwards of 2 feet up there along the Canadian Rockies, and some nice snows for the Jackson Hole area as well, and the 5-day precip totals are impressive. We go to the Midwest, and here's Kristen.
All right, Milwaukee, mostly cloudy today. And you know what? We had rain earlier this afternoon. Yeah, warm enough here in the Midwest for rain. Kind of weird here in early December, and a lot of you have been commenting on Twitter about it. Hashtag your tweets, WNTV, let us know what you think. We've had some rain-snow mix across the Great Lakes, even 0.7 inches of snow up there in Marquette, just barely enough to really coat the ground white. But here it is, Chicago, a few sprinkles throughout the evening, also for Des Moines, back towards areas of Sioux Falls. So the futurecast shows maybe a few chances of snow. The first batch comes in here Friday. Maybe by the time the commute starts home in the Twin Cities, looking at the snow to be in place. So maybe a little slow going for the evening rush hour. Then that snow moves into, say, Green Bay early Saturday morning at 4 o'clock. Here comes a better chance of accumulating snow Saturday evening into the day Sunday. So when you look at the snowfall totals just up until 7 o'clock Saturday, we notice Minot picking up 4 inches. Maybe close to that in Huron, Marshall, southwestern Minnesota, 2.7. The Twin Cities between Friday and maybe Saturday, 1.4 inches of snow in total. So looking at maybe our first measurable snow of the season. Now Friday night through Monday, this is a total snowfall with these two rounds moving on in. And we're looking at various things here. Here's Bismarck. Areas just there in northern North Dakota could see as much as, 8, 9 inches of snow. Higher amounts as well towards northwestern Minnesota, maybe getting by with 2.5 inches. So yeah, it's not much, but it's time here across the upper Midwest for snow. Orlando, what a beautiful day it was to just kind of check out Mickey and the gang. We've had some rain here across Florida. This will continue off and on through the rest of this evening. 24-hour precip does show Naples, 0.11 of an inch. And it looks like our weather will continue to be a bit unsettled in eastern Florida again Friday and Saturday, expecting more rain. All right, for now, we leave you with our national highs for the day tomorrow. Stay tuned. Your local forecast is coming right up here on Weather Nation.